Imagine making money straight from your phone without any special skills or upfront investment. Sounds too good to be true. Well, it's not. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a brand new app that's taking the world by storm, paying users up to $15 every 10 minutes, completely free. That's right, you could be earning as much as $945 a day just by using your phone. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or just some extra cash, this app could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Stick around as I show you exactly how it works and how you can start making money today. When searching for means through which to make easy money using your phone, look no further. There is this new app out that pays $15 every 10 minutes, and you can reportedly make a fortune of up to $945 per day. The best part is that no prior skill is needed to start working and earning through the app. TapMob, the code-named application TapMob, will be free of cost to users all over the world. Just download the application from either the App Store or Google Play, create an account, and voila. Let me remind you, TapMob is an invite-only application, which means you will need to have an invite code in order to gain access. The invite code of the speaker is 19,687, which is in the text guide in the video description. How to get started with TapMob? Once you have the invite code, you're going to have to send an email over to their support team to get your account approved. The email template is also in the text guide for smooth and easy going. TapMob is a CPA application, which means you receive money whenever you refer people to signing up for offers. Now, to earn big on the app, you have to understand how you can bring in the traffic to the offer. He goes further by sharing some tips on generating such traffic using SEO-optimized blogs, Facebook, and Linkvertise. You can even create talking videos about your offers and post them on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok with AI. Success tips, he says, for anybody who wants to make more money with TapMob, watch my 2 videos on SEO writing and how to generate traffic. These videos will give you insights and ways to maximize the use of an app to get maximum amount. Finally, TapMob is a great chance to earn money with ease using your phone and make up to $945 per day. Don't let this one-of-a-kind opportunity pass you by for a bigger income without any special skills required. Download TapMob right now and get your reward. No experience needed. Download the app now. New app pays $15 every 10 minutes for free from your phone, $945 per day. No experience needed. Frequently asked questions. Q. What can be earned using TapMob? Well, TapMob users can get $15 every 10 minutes. They can earn as much as $945 per day. Q. Is TapMob available in every country? Yes, TapMob is available to users all around the world. Q. Do I need special skills for working in TapMob? No, TapMob is user-friendly and doesn't require special skills from you to start earning in it. Q. How to join TapMob? TapMob is an invite-only application, so you will need an invite code to join. The speaker's code is 19687. Find this in the video description text guide. Don't let this fantastic opportunity pass by to earn money with ease on your phone via TapMob. And there you have it. A simple, effective way to make money from your phone without needing any special skills or experience. With this app, the potential to earn up to $945 a day is within your reach. So why wait? Download the app, follow the steps I've outlined, and start earning today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might be interested in making easy money from their phones. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips, tricks, and app reviews that can help you boost your income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Download now and get rolling.